Hey guys, welcome to the channel and to this stash update. Alright then, let's start with the first kit. This one is the MiG-21MFN, the Czechoslovakian fishbed J from Eduard. It's a 1/48 scale kit, weekend edition boxing, and it's a really nice kit with this is quite old, but it's made from Eduard's own tooling, and it's a really good one. A lot of plastic parts, as you can see, in this kit. A lot of weapons and stores. Yeah, so it's a lot to choose from. I decided to add in some extra goodies, sort of upgrade the weekend edition to something that is more like a limited edition, so to speak. So okay, I got a turned metal pitot tube because this is quite a complex thing, and I don't think the molded plastic one looks so nice. So I got this one. I also got the photo etch. Not sure if I'm going to use that, because maybe the plastic parts actually seem to look really good, so I might use that instead. But I'm not sure. And I see that I actually purchased two of these for some reason. I don't know, the seat belts. And I also got a mask set for the canopy and the wheels and stuff. And the markings, there are two versions, I think, in this kit. One is this one with a camo pattern on the tail. And oh, there are actually three. No, two. Sorry, two different versions. Okay, sorry for the confusion there. So this is a kit that I had it in the stash for a while, but I got some aftermarket just to, and I actually bought one of these extra. I realize now. Okay, so the next one is another Russian aircraft from Eduard, and this is their limited edition of the Frogfoot. I bought this kit used or second hand, but as far as I can see, everything seems to be in place, and all the aftermarket is there and everything, so it shouldn't be an issue, I guess. So this is Eduard's boxing of the old Corpo kit. It's not the best kit, I guess. It's not fantastic, and it can be a bit difficult to put together. I have understood. But basically it's only one of the only kits out there that is actually or at least remotely accurate to the Frogfoot. I also have the Revell kit in 1/48 scale, but that is very inaccurate, and there's a lot of work to make that work to make an accurate version of the Frogfoot. So I bought this kit, and along with it I get a lot of aftermarket that is included in the kit already. Photo etch, resin, different resin parts, and yeah, and also interior photo etch as well. So I don't know when I'm going to build this. This is probably going to be a sort of build series, I guess, because it can be quite fun to be able to follow the build in more in detail. So I will probably do a build series on this, but I don't know when. So next we have the Hasegawa F6F-5 Hellcat. It's an relatively old kit, and but I think it's quite nice looking. This was also we bought second hand, so I've done a lot of shopping second hand lately. Unfortunately, as you can see, the decals are basically yellow instead of white. So I decided to buy an aftermarket sheet of decals for that. So yeah, so I will use that. Or maybe I will paint the markings with using my silhouette to produce paint masks instead. I don't know. I have to decide on that. And I got a mask set, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use this. This is maybe I'll save that for another kit. And I also got a zoom kit for the instrument panel and cockpit. So apart from the I didn't pay much for this because since the decals was quite bad, I got a good price for it. Okay, so next up is the Trumpeter 1/72 scale British Gannet AS.MK 1/4, and this is a kit that I bought second hand as well, and it's a little bit dented, as you can see here, but the box seems to have absorbed the damage quite well, so everything seems okay inside. The plastic parts are, I would say, on par with the Trumpeter Sea Fury that I did a long time ago. They seem to have the same kind of quality, and so I don't expect this build to be super smooth. It was a lot of work to get the Sea Fury in shape, and I expect that will be the same with this one. Okay, so apart from the kit decals, I got included in the deal the mask set and the interior zoom kit for the cockpit. Next we have another 1/72 scale kit, this one from Special Hobby. It's the Vampire in the Scandinavian livery. So they are the Swedish, Finnish and Norwegian Air Forces represented in this kit. I will probably build the Swedish one. No, there is no surprise there, I guess. And the kit is really nice. I have bought some photo etch for it, a zoom kit, and this is an external zoom external PE set as well, and some paint masks. And apart from that, I think I will build it with the with the kit parts only. So as I said, I will probably build this one in the Swedish color to represent a J28B. Okay, so the next kit is the 172 scale SAAB J29 Tunnan from Tarangus, or the Flying Barrel, it was also nicknamed. This is one of the first kits from Tarangus, definitely the first one in 172 scale. And it's a short run kit, and I have actually done an inbox, sorry, I will do an inbox review on this. I haven't done it already, but I will do an inbox review of this because I've already built this kit once, and I have some experience how to make it, turn it into a good looking Tunnan. So I will make a video on that. But we can take a quick sneak peek inside the box anyway. And the plastic parts they are really low part count. There's only 2 sprues of plastic parts and the clear parts. And there is some resin parts included in the kit. The main wheel landing or wheelbase and the ejection seat. But I will make an inbox review of that with some tips how to build the kit. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so here's a T-33, a shooting star from Hasegawa in 172 scale. And this is quite a simple kit. I bought this also second hand some time ago, and yeah, it's one of those kits I just bought them because I think it looks really nice, and I like the Japanese livery on aircrafts. Okay, so here's another Japanese aircraft in 172 scale, the Radian Jack. And this is also a very basic kit, very similar to the Hasegawa Shidenkai that I built, and there is a reveal video on that on the channel. And I expect this kit to go together a little bit easier because the sprues actually look much better than the Shidenkai. So I don't expect so much issues with this one that I had with the other one. So this is another 172 scale kit, this one from Academy. It's the Messerschmitt 163 Komet. And it's a rocket propelled aircraft from the Second World War. And which is a little bit odd for me because I normally don't do much German aircrafts. And yeah, this looks quite nice actually, so I think it will go together into a nice looking Komet. Okay, last but not least, this is the Revell 148 scale MiG-25 RBT Foxbat B, and this is a enormous gift box. It fills up the whole building place here, or building mat. So I will try to unbox this. And actually quite nice packed, I would say. These are this kit is based on the ICM's Foxbat. So this is not the tooling is not from Revell. So this is from ICM. And that is a great kit. So I think it's a good, it's a really nice kit. This. The funny thing is that the ICM kit is probably, the gift box is probably half the size of this. If you compare it to the Revell boxing. And let's see if I can grab the. We got some nice decals as well, and the colored, and this is the modern, sort of more modern colored Revell instruction book. So that's really nice. This is a kit that I received as a sort of gift / payment for some 3D printing work that I did for a modeling body. So with that, I would like to thank you for watching, and I hope that you have enjoyed this Stush update. And goodbye for now, and happy modeling, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.